Alright, so it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, I kind of woke up early, no biggie. But last night, I bought a pickup. So this is it right here. It's a 1997 F-250. This is the one I told you guys that I thought might have been a scam, but it wasn't. So it is a 97, at least according to its title. Apparently in this year, I didn't know this, but apparently in this year, they did a split production. Because most of the 97s I've run across up until now were square body, and this is the next generation of more of a curve body. A couple dings and dents, but not a big deal like this right here. It's back here, but it's all right though. This top almost looks brand new. I mean, a few little dings and dents on it, on the corners of it, but really, it looks brand new, honestly. And, haven't decided. I may sell it. The top, I don't know yet. I'm not going to worry about it at the moment until I'm ready, because with the farm I don't know how it's gonna work. And then back here, it's got a fifth wheel attachment. It doesn't have the rest, but that'll make it so much easier if I want to go do that option. So yep. But anyways, I can't find a single thing wrong with this thing, actually. Whoever had it, the people that I bought it from was the second owners, and they said the first owner babied this thing. So, and I could tell that the ones I bought it from took care of it as well. The oil looked really clean and clear, even though it had been driven 1,000 miles. So I'm pretty excited about this. And of course, it's got a hitch with trailer. Looks like trailer brake. Or at least that's the connection I need. I don't care too much about the brakes. Here, let's bring. Yeah. Put you down for a minute. I'll put this hitch on. Because I do have my car still, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to bring it with me. But, there we go. But I gotta go pick it up, so which means I gotta tow it. So in about an hour or so, I'm gonna head to U-Haul and get the trailer to haul my car. So now, and I'll park it, my car, until it's time to go, or whenever I decide to do with it. Anyways, but look at inside. Actually, let's go to the passenger side to look at it, because the door only opens in the back on this side. But see, it's all pretty clean, well taken care of. Like, everything works in this thing. Surprising for a 97. The back seat doesn't even look like it's been sat in. I guess the first owner had dogs and had a cover on this, so it never saw daylight, basically. But yeah. Alright, so we've got the car. I'll do a tour of it. You can kind of see it in the mirror back there. Yeah, I'm driving and talking and doing everything I'm not supposed to. But so far it's handling awesome, so awesome. Alright. So, oh, strap was dragging. It's alright. Doesn't look too bad. But it actually handled pretty well for this, so I don't know how much, but let's get this thing off. Can't believe how easy this thing is to work, because basically it's just a ratchet strap that hugs the tire and keeps the car from moving, you know. Oh, this feels loose. Oh my. I didn't tighten it up enough. But we made it safe, so that's all that matters. Yes, I'm done. Oh, gotta move this out. It kind of twisted it, didn't it? I should have straightened it up, but I can manage. See, this strap was good. Yeah, see, this one was tight, so saved by passenger side. Gotta hurry up and get this back because they need it. Sounds like this is the only dolly. The only dolly in the area. Alright, let me pull this bad boy off. So as far as these, I don't want them flapping around. high, so that way they're not dragging on the freeway. I think they'd have a better way to like police these up, but I guess not. And then of course we need to bring these in. Otherwise we'll be dragging. Alright. That's it. Now let's get this back to U-Haul. Alright, so one thing I'm getting tired of here is all this rain. Like, really? It's raining again. Of course, when I get to Ohio, I'll probably want to see the rain. Especially a thunderstorm. This place doesn't get thunderstorms very much. Kind of miss those. Alright, so just got this. I just got it registered, requested a title. So this is the breakdown. I paid. Am I zoomed in too much? No. I paid $335.80 just to replace the license plates. Now, can you say how ridiculous that is? $335.80 to put plates on a 97 pickup truck. It's 23 years old and I paid $335.80. So, and that being said, a year ago this state had on the ballot that getting car tags, and I don't know if it included getting plates too, but was going to be the same across the board. Or $30 across the board. Well, the city of Seattle, the high and mighty of Seattle, said this was no bueno, so they started nitpicking the group that put it in there, and now it's in court right now. The governor won't lift a finger to enact it into law. So I don't know. That's why I'm to the point where, sorry, I keep looking at my face. I shouldn't be, right? It's getting to the point where Washington's not even a democracy. Like, the people voted for this in, and because of technicalities, this is what's happening. But $335. Part of me just wonders if I should have just waited till I got to Ohio and did it. Still would have been probably a good amount of money, but not $335. I mean, the previous owner still had tags on it till end of August, but you know, whatever, Washington, freaking people. All right. On a good note, though, I want to show you guys. All right. Anyways, I got this shirt from the Grunt Style Club. I believe they call it, yeah, Club Grunt Style. I have not been disappointed, and I've been with them 2 months so far, and I have not been disappointed with them yet. So this one, the current one, Uncle Sam's Beach Resorts, Normandy, Iwo Sicily, North Africa, Okinawa, and Guadalcanal. Can you say goosebumps, people? Like, that is freaking awesome. Good job, Grunt Style. But anyways, y'all have a good night. Be safe out there. Don't cough on anybody. Wash your hands. Don't pick your nose. And y'all have a good night.